सभी का स्वागत है अनिल स्टाइस के यूट्यूब चैनल पे। हमारा आज का टॉपिक डिस्कशन के लिए अरावली ग्रीन वॉल प्रोजेक्ट है, तो हम इसको मल्टी डायमेंशनली कवर करेंगे ताकि और भी टॉपिक्स इसमें कवर हो जाए। वाई इन न्यूज़, व्हाट इज दिस अरावली ग्रीन वॉल प्रोजेक्ट? देन सेम प्रोजेक्ट हरियाणा में है, सो व्हाट इज दैट प्रोजेक्ट? व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट? दैन ग्रेट ग्रीन वॉल प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका हम देखेंगे। After that, we will see some points about the Aravali range. Then we will be solving our today's prelims practice question, which would be based on this video. So let's start. Why news? So Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, he has recently inaugurated the Aravali Green Wall project on the occasion of International Day of Forests and unveiled the National Action Plan to combat the desertification and the land degradation through forestry interventions. This is his image. Then what is this Aravali Green Wall Project? So ये एक इनिशिएटिव है जिसमें एक 5 किलोमीटर चौड़ा वाइड में एक बफर एरिया बनेगा अराउंड द अरावली हिल रेंज इन 4 states would be there. The 4 states would be Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi, and it is a part of Union Environment Ministry vision to create green corridors across the country to combat land degradation and desertification, because this desert is expanding towards the eastern sides. The project covers state of Haryana, I have already told you this, where the Aravali Hills landscape span over 6 million hectare of the land. So here is the Aravali range, you can see here. How highest point is Mount Guru Shikhar, Mount Abu as well. And here are other ranges like Kaimur. There are several rivers also. We will study about it later. The project also focuses on agroforestry and pasture development पे भी फोकस करता है. मोर इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्टेक होल्डर्स रहेंगे, जैसे सेंटर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स रहेंगी, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का इंक्लूजन रहेगा, रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट्स होंगे, सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होंगे, एनजीओज होंगे, प्राइवेट सेक्टर एंटिटीज़ भी होंगी, लोकल कम्युनिटीज़ भी इसमें भागीदार रहेंगी. द ग्रीन वॉल विल हेल्प इन कार्बन sequestration and mitigating climate change, and it will also help in providing habitat for the wildlife, क्योंकि पेड़ पौधे रहेंगे तो वाइल्ड लाइफ का हैबिटेट वहाँ अच्छे से हो जाएगा. मोरओवर नेटिव स्पीशीज को ही वहाँ पे प्लांट करने का प्लान है, and it will also improve the water quality and quantity of that area. Then green wall project in Haryana, what is it? In the first phase or the initial phase, basically 75 water bodies in the region of Haryana will be rejuvenated under this project, and starting with 5 water bodies per district of the Aravali landscape. Now the project will also include large scale plantation drives and conservation of water resources in this range. The project will cover the degraded land in the Gurgaon region, Faridabad, Bhiwani, Mahendragarh and Rewari districts of the Haryana. So this is the whole Aravali Green Wall Initiative. It will start from Porbandar to Panipat in Haryana, so covering these 4 states. Voluntary organizations जैसे कि Society for Geoinformatics and Sustainable Development, then there is an NGO IM Gurgaon. It is basically being engaged to mobilize people ताकि वो आके श्रमदान करें for the revival of water bodies at Bhadwani and Ghatbund. What are the objectives of this project? First, on the major objective is improving the ecological health of the Aravali range. Moreover, to prevent the eastward expansion of the Thar desert, ये eastward expand कर रहा है, and also to reduce the land degradation by creating green barriers that will prevent soil erosion, it will prevent desertification and dust storms as well. It will also help in carbon sequestration and mitigating climate change. We have already discussed it. And it will also help to promote sustainable development and livelihood opportunities by involving the local communities in the afforestation. So there would be, it will help them to generate income, employment would be there, food security would be there would be many social benefits, health benefits भी वहाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा होना शुरू हो जाएंगे. Then contribute to India's commitments under various international conventions. It will help in contributing that. Moreover, it will also help in enhancing India's image as a global leader in environmental protection and green development. Then what is Great Green Wall Project of the Africa? ये एक प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें यहाँ पूरा एक शेल्टर बेल्ट लगाया जाएगा ट्रीज का, एंड इट विल बी कवरिंग 11 कंट्रीज विच आर सेनेगल, मेरिटानिया, माली, बुर्किना फासो, नाइगर, नाइजीरिया, चाड, सूडान, Eritrea, Djibouti and Ethiopia. And it will also help to prevent the expansion of the desert further downwards in the continent. This was launched by the African Union a decade ago with the support of many partners. They were like UNCCD, World Bank was a partner, European Commission was a partner. The project plans 8-kilometer wide band of trees which will stretch across 8,000 kilometers across the whole Africa. एंड नियरली अभी ये 15% कंप्लीट हो चुका है. वट इज द अरावली रेंज? सो अरावली रेंज इंडिया के नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न रीजन में है. ये गुजरात, राजस्थान, हरियाणा, दिल्ली जैसे रीजन में है. यहाँ से काफ़ी अलग अलग रिवर्स निकलती हैं जैसे साबरमती, लूनी, बनास एंड ऑल. इसका हाईएस्ट पीक हम देख चुके थे गुरु शिखर, और माउंट आबू भी है. सो दिस इज अबाउट इट. एंड इसकी सिग्निफिकेंसेस क्या है? सो लेट्स सी दैट इट ऑल्सो हैव एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन क्लाइमेट ऑफ नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया एंड बियॉन्ड. यहाँ काफी मिनरल्स भी हैं, सो इट हेल्प्स इन दैट. एंड ड्यूरिंग मानसून्स द माउंटेन रेंज दे बेसिकली जेंटली गाइड द मानसून विंड्स जो यहाँ ईस्टर्न तरफ से आती हैं, इनको गाइड करते हैं सो दैट द विंड्स कैन गो टू द शिमला एंड नैनीताल regions, and this it helps to nurture the sub-Himalayan rivers feeding the northern Indian plains also. Moreover, winter months में भी it also protects the fertile alluvial river valleys from the assault of cold westerlies winds. Discuss our today's prelims practice question. Which of the following countries is not a part of African Green Wall Initiative? Egypt, Sudan, Mali or Niger? You can type the correct answer in the comment section. They will let you know if it's correct or not. Question 2. Which of the following rivers does not rise from the Aravali ranges? Luni, Sabarmati, Banas or Bhima? This was all about today's video and session, and stay tuned for the Analyst IAS for your better.